chicken in there? Look at them chunks.
Want to say anything on this, but that's what the people want. That's what I came here for. So we're gonna get into it. I like my coffee black, white too. Don't turn this into no controversy. It's my boo.
What's going on, family? It's your man Matt DV, and we're out here on Elizabeth Avenue in the South Ward of Newark, New Jersey, and I'm about to go check out this spot right here. And this spot that I'm about to go to is suggested by T-Love and Anthony Valdez. T-Love is one of our subscribers. Anthony Valdez might be a subscriber, but he's definitely on the I'm So Newark page on Facebook. Thank you for y'all suggestion. And look, y'all, right next door is the Sears building. Check it out. Y'all remember Sears? This used to be Sears back in the day. Right up the hill, if you real old school, that's Southside High School, right? Southside, right? But if you're a little younger like me, that's called Malcolm X Shabazz High School, right there. We on East Bigelow in Elizabeth Avenue, man. Let's go in, man. I know what I want. I know what I want from the soup spot. We're about to go up there. It's been like I've been here for like 4 minutes. It's been 3 people have gone in and out of this spot right here. Let's see what I'm gonna get. Look, they got cream of chicken right there, $9. Which is the best? How y'all doing? Good morning. Which one's the best? Oh, and she said cream of chicken, y'all. We about to get that cream of chicken. Yes, that's what I want. I want cream of chicken. Yes.
Anything else?
How long y'all been open?
27 years.
They've been here 27 years, y'all. Right here at this spot. You definitely want to come and check them out. 27 years. We're gonna get the cream of chicken. All right, y'all, I got my soup. This is my cream of chicken. We're gonna go back to the car and eat it. Let's go check it out. All right, y'all, we're gonna eat this right outside. I got the gear set up. I got the GoPro. I got my gimbal for my cell phone. Let's check this soup out, man. I got the cream of chicken right there. Let's check it out. That steam still coming off them. Look at that creamy soup, man. Look at that. Look at that steam coming off them. Look at them chunks of chicken in there. You know, you don't want no creamy chicken soup without no chicken, just the cream. I ain't even gonna start with y'all today. Look at this, man. Look at that. Look at that. Hold up. You heard her? She said this spot has been here for 27 years. Now, I'm gonna be honest, y'all. I was here before. I was here like in 2000, right? I was doing some work with a carpenter, and they stopped here early in the morning. I was like, what is this spot? I think they used to open earlier. There is a story behind this spot here, but I believe the son is running the joint now. And I know y'all tired of me talking, man. Let's get into the soup and see how good it is. Hold up. Oh wow, that's some good flavor. Wow. You know I love cream of broccoli, right? This reminds me of like the consistency of cream of broccoli, but it has these thick chunks of chicken, man, that taste so fresh. Wow. It's about 34 degrees right now, and soup is hitting right now. That's it, man. It's official. It's official, y'all. The soup spot. Heaven Delite soup spot. Right here. See them chunks of chicken in there? Look at them chunks. Every turn there's a chunk. Chunky chunk. If you put some cheese in here, it'll be chunky cheese. Oh, got a potato right there. If you up in the morning and it's cold outside and you need some warm soup, you definitely want to come here. Boom. Heaven's Delite. It's all takeout. There's no sitting in. Okay, you got to go to the window, order your stuff, and it's a done deal. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people. I love you. I love you guys. I love all of y'all. Out here on Elizabeth Ave in this South Ward. This is my ward, man. I was born. Wait a minute. Where's Martland Medical, y'all? For those from Newark, where's Martland Medical? Is that the Central Ward? That's the Central Ward, right? No, could be the West Ward too, above there. Well, if Martland Medical is in the Central Ward, and I know some of y'all like, you so Newark, you tell us. Y'all supposed to be so Newark. I just got this shirt. I was born in Martland Medical, but we used to live in the West Ward on South 9th Street. If you just visiting Newark, getting up early in the morning, go get you some coffee somewhere. There's a Dunkin' Donuts here, there's Starbucks downtown. But if you want something to eat or something to snack on, and if it's real cold outside and you want some soup, you definitely want to check that spot out. Look at the line that's building up out there. You definitely want to check it out here in Newark, New Jersey. Cars still pulling up. I ain't joking, y'all. That right there, that's the spot. I ain't gonna prolong, y'all. Until the next one. Should we walk around? All right, nah, we about to go. I got too much energy in the morning. I'm a morning person, y'all. This the spot, bro?
Sure. Any chance you get, come get soup. Bro.
Yeah, I got my cream of chicken right here. It's delicious, yep.
Rice?
I didn't get it with the rice, just got the cream. Oh, word? Yo, he said I gotta try it with the rice next time. My man, he said you gotta try it with the rice. That sounds good though, right? See that guy working right there? He went to the corner and then he came back. You gotta keep an eye on these cats. Oh, he going in the gate now, y'all. What he doing? What he doing? Don't I seem like one of them nosy old cats from the street, the block? He probably was checking me out. I'm checking him out. I'm starting to taste pepper now. I'm getting this peppery taste in my mouth. Hold up, y'all. I almost forgot. Let's put some saltines in there. I ain't gonna eat too many of these saltines, though. Y'all know why. These are saltines. Y'all know about saltine crackers. We're gonna put these saltines right in here. Let's just let them stick up like that. Look. Matter of fact, let's just use the saltine to sop up the soup. You know what? Saltine crackers are for soup. They pair well with soup, right? I need my napkin. I can't let it go, y'all. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hang with the wrong people. I love all you cats. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see y'all at the next one. Look, y'all know it's good soup if the police pulled up. We gonna hit this spot, and I'm trying to debate whether we should do like a meetup here at the new Jolly Bees, man. It's supposed to open December 31st, and I'm gonna be out here, man. If I live in, like my grandmother used to say, if I live in nothing happen, I'm gonna be here at the Jolly Bees, man. At the grand opening. I'm just trying to reach out to some Jolly Bees people. If you guys know anybody from Jolly Bees, right? Any management, I'm trying to reach them. I done called the California headquarters. Nobody responds back. We don't want to give them a bad name early. Call a brother up. Let me stop. But that's Jolly Bees going up here, y'all, on Bergen Street in Newark, New Jersey, across from University Hospital and catty corner to Martland Medical. That's where I was born, y'all, in Martland. I don't know what it's called now, but I still call it Martland, man. Check out Jolly Bees.